Hello guys, myself Abhinav. Today I am presenting you my latest project, the Intelligent Elevator System. In real life elevators, there are sensors placed at every floor that detect the position of the elevator. So what is different in my project? In the Intelligent Elevator System, you can see that there are no such sensors. Hence I have used the word intelligent because my elevator system itself recognizes on which floor the elevator is with the help of an internal feedback mechanism that I have designed and coded myself. Moving on to the construction of the elevator, the whole lift system is supported by 4 wooden columns. Then I have used a stepper motor connected to a pulley for the accurate movement of our lift. This membrane keypad sends the inputs to the Arduino, which controls the stepper motor. While using a stepper motor with an Arduino, we need to use this stepper motor driver module, which controls and enables the communication between the Arduino and the stepper motor. You might have observed that I have used a counterweight. The benefit of using a counterweight is that you don't need to wind the rope around the pulley. Also, it balances the weight of the elevator. Now let's move to the working of the elevator. There are a total of 5 floors starting from the first to the fifth. Each floor has been assigned a numeric button on this number keypad. So when I press the button 2, the lift moves to the second floor. You can see how accurate the movements of the elevator are. Similarly, if I press 3, the elevator will move to the third floor. And so on, it goes to the fifth floor when I press the 5 button. Also, it comes down as and when required. I have also added a feature wherein the microcontroller can store some data. For example, if I press the buttons in the sequence 2, 4 and 5, let's see what happens. The lift waits on the second floor, then on the fourth, and finally on the fifth floor. So this was my intelligent elevator system, and thank you for watching.